347 pips, which is 3,407 points, right? So that was a good one. And I also have a video showing how I did take this Kali JPY buy. Hey, yo, was cracking and was cracking. So guys, today is Sunday as usual. We're just going to do our top down analysis, but then along the way, guys, I'm just going to show you what's happening behind the scene throughout the day and how we spend our day, how we waste our time, because we just forex trade, we got nothing to do, only waste time, find something to distract your mind. So I was thinking about adding some lights into this room, just to spice this video up, and of course for you guys to see me clearly. But I still have some lights. Let me just show you. I have this one, and of course this one right here. Now something crazy, you see this one is on this stand. Now this stand over here was supposed to be the mic stand, right? But then the light stand, I just decided to use it on a camera, right? Because I bought this camera, but I never had a tripod stand for the camera. So just started, I thought about doing some crazy thing, inventing. So I took this and have it on the microphone tripod, right? And of course we have this table. We have this table stand right here, and it's crazy, just invention. So this one was for the ring light. Let me remove this. So this stand was supposed to be a ring light stand. Let me show some. This one. So this is in fact this was the first lighting that I had, the first ring light that I used to use a year ago. But then it's still working though, but I don't usually use it because I don't have another tripod stand, guys. Let me show you. Right, I never use it nowadays. Right, but at the same time, these ones are more powerful compared to the ring light. For example, this one, if I have on, what's that? Not connecting. Let me see. Yeah, so you see, so powerful, right? You can decide to increase this joint, so you see, more handsome, right? So I just, and of course I have another light here, a blue light and also a red light right there, another blue light. So just trying to add more lights into my video shows to make it more clear. But one thing I see, softbox. I think I should look for a good softbox, to avoid using these ones, because softbox somehow concentrate the light maybe on your face or your objects, why you decide to illuminate the object, right? So I might avoid using this once I get a softbox. But yeah, let's just start. So one thing, I'm just going to run and get another light and maybe see if it can bring difference into this room, right? And then we start the day, right? Man, so apparently guys, most electronic shops are not open today. I think because today is Sunday, so that's why you see most shops are not open. Probably people are going to chat. And so probably real quick, let's try to see, maybe prepare for tomorrow market. Let's just say next week's analysis. Yeah, let's try to analyze the market, and yeah, if we get something, we just need to wait and see how the market is going to react towards our anticipated analysis. So real quick, let's just head over to the market. Very well, that was a quick analysis in the USD, and I think the market was looking so clear. I've seen so many clear structures in this joint, but at the same time, it's not just one pair that I did analyze. Yesterday, I was also analyzing some pairs in my living room. I still have another piece in my living room. I'm just going to show you those trades, but SDUSD is also looking nice. So I've just added that to my watch list. And one thing I need to tell you guys is once you've done your analysis, let the market do its thing, because I realize that we should take the market as a professor, right? So this is it. Why am I talking about the market being a professor? Okay, now the professor comes and gives us examination for us to take, right? So it's upon us to do more research, do our homework, so when the examination day comes, we should at least secure good scores, right? So once we've done our analysis, that means we've done our research. So the examination date, that is the day that we press the buy or a sell button, right? So we just let the market do the marking, let the market tell us whether we was wrong or we was right. Okay, so the market is the professor. Once we've done our examination, or that is placing or buy or sell, we just let the market give us the results, whether we was wrong or we was right. But then another thing, I think having great analysis build more confidence in your trading journey, because once you've done your analysis, I'm talking about top-down analysis. I'm not just talking about going to the 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hour, or even the daily and doing your analysis. No, I'm talking about doing top-down analysis, starting from maybe the higher time frame, highest of time frame, and breaking down the market. Let's say once you start your analysis, let's say 3 months time frame. I know people might think this sounds crazy now. If you start your analysis of those high time frame, it will tell you where we are, right? It will tell you the market position. Okay, now let's say we've started our analysis of the monthly or the 3 month, 1 year, and we see that the market is bullish of those higher time frame, right? So now when we're doing top down analysis, we're just going to break down the bullish structure that we saw of the higher time frame, break it down slowly by slowly, step by step, until the 1 minute, just to make sure that everything is in line, right? Make sure when you go to the daily is talking about buys. When you go to the H4, talking about buys. 1 hour is talking about buys. 15 minutes talking about buys. 1 minute is talking about buys. Now, once you've done that, anytime you're taking your trade, you will be 100% you're going to be confident. Because why? Anytime you see a pullback, you're like, okay, what are these crazy people trying to say? But then, okay, the market is still bullish, so this is just a pullback. Now, once the market is done with the pullback, look for another opportunity. You go in, right? Now, like I said, going to the higher time frame will really build your confidence, right? Really build your confidence. So let's just head over to the living room, and I'll show you those pairs that I did analyze and maybe explain to you what I was seeing, right? Let's go. Okay, guys, now, so this was the analysis that I was just talking about. I did this analysis yesterday, I think around 7 p.m. Now, so many things went to this analysis. That is, I started from 3 months time frame, and there are so many things that I did identify. So I think don't get confused when you see these drawings, but let me just brush over real quick and tell you what I was seeing. Now, just the same as NZUSD. So you see, probably this is just the market maybe trying to form something like a head and shoulder. So probably this is just the left shoulder information, and now this was the head. Now we see that kind of GBP USD has given us that pull impulse phase. So probably just trying to go back to complete this neckline, or just to maybe retest this neckline. Now when the market opens, I'm anticipating maybe this week we might see maybe JPY going up, right? Now when price will be going up, what I'm saying is I'm just going to try to understand how price is going to react around this level, because why? That is just a right shoulder that price might be trying to go back to hit. Now once we see the reaction over here, if we get a good confirmation, that is when we're going to take our sell position. But at the same time, this push to the upside is still over 100 pips. So
we're still going to take that buy, right? Once we get a good confirmation, not just that when the market opens, we're just going to hit that buy button. No, going to see how price is going to react around that level, then we go. Now I have another one, GBP JPY and also CAD JPY. Real quick, let me start with GBP JPY. I want to show you something, guys, over here. Now this was also another deep analysis. Initially I was like, previous week I was seeing something like maybe GBP JPY, anything that has JPY, XX JPY, I thought that kind of Japanese yen was losing strength. But when I did this top-down analysis, I kind of realized that probably the market has been just giving us a big version of a continuation pattern to maybe take this pattern, these pairs down. So I think the JPY are not yet done. I think they're still going to gain strength, right? So this is it. If I try to zoom in, you'll understand that this is the pattern that we are currently experiencing, right? So probably when market opens, I just need to see how price is going to react around this channel right here that you guys can see. This is the channel that I'm talking about, right? So if I get, probably this might just insinuate that the market is trying to give us a double top, but you never know. Price might just open tomorrow, then you see market going up, which is still okay. We can still capitalize on that because that's a good move. Let me see how many points. That's around 1,000 points, 122 pips. But now if we get a good break below this trend line right there, that is going to be a good amount of pips too. 211 pips, 2,000 points, right? Same as a GBP, what's that, CAD JPY right over here, right? So you see CAD JPY is kind of more clear. Now remember last week we did take our CAD JPY entry around this joint, and we've seen price in fact went let me see, price went 347 pips, which is 3,407 points, right? So that was a good one. And I also have a video showing how I did take this CAD JPY buy, which you see is amazing thing, right? So yes, onto that video, of course, I was thinking that we're still bullish, which is still okay. We are still bullish, but the market is kind of in a continuation pattern, which is just like a correction phase. So I think I might be wrong on the bullish thing, but yes, we just traded on based on what we see. So now I'm just talking about long-term market structure. That is what I'm kind of trying to anticipate. So if I get a good reaction right here, you see KJPY can also give us a good potential right there, 2,680 points, right? So at the same time, let me see. This is still good, right? So when the market opens, we just need to watch out how the market or price is just going to react around our levels. And as usual, guys, once we see a good opportunity, that's when we go in, right? So it's 12:44 right now, so probably I'm just going to start preparing some lunch and get ready to watch Manchester United get beaten. Yeah, guys, so I'm betting Manchester is going to be beaten. Aston Villa is going to beat Manchester United. Now, if you do watch football, if you're a Manchester fan, please don't kill me. But yo, you people are crazy. I call you guys Mouth AFC, right? You only do the talking, but we don't see results. This is the son of Wenger talking, right? Arsene Wenger, right? So you saw what we did, Arsene Wenger, what we did. The Arteta people. I'm talking about the Gunners, the Gooders. Yeah, we shot the Southampton, man. Pew, 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 3. Right, so real quick, let me just go prepare some lunch and wait to watch Manchester United being kicked in there. You know what I'm talking about, right? Hopefully they don't win, because if they win, I know people are going to kill me. But yeah, I bet Aston Villa is going to kill Manchester United. Let's see.